Okay guys, so for some reason you have this error, hg executable not found. I'm gonna show you how to resolve this, and let's jump in. To resolve this, what you want to do is go to mercurial-scm.org. So for example, this is it right here. You can see the URL is mercurial-scm.org/install, and or you better still, you can click on install here, and then you go down to Windows. You can see down here is a Windows. Okay, and what you're gonna do is copy this file, copy this right here. Okay, and then open your CMD, and then paste, and then click and hit enter. As you can see, it's downloading and installing. So do you agree to all the sources agreement? Yes, just type yes or Y, hit enter. So as you can see, it is downloading and installing. Okay, so it has finished downloading. Now it's installing, as you can see. Okay, it has installed successfully. Okay, so now let's go back here and click on Mercurial, and it's going to bring us to this window. Let's click on here and then go back, and we look for Mercurial folder. You can see Mercurial here. Double click on that, and you see HG. Just click on HG. You can see it's an .exe file. Click on that and then click save. You can see that error is resolved. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.